Hi, my name is N. Vijay Prasad. Here we are going to discuss about industrial pollution. Any form of pollution that can trace its immediately source to industrial practices is known as industrial pollution. Most of the pollution on the planet can be traced back to the industries of same kind. There is some proverb regarding this industrial pollution. We abuse land because we regard it as commodity belonging to us. When we see land as a community to which we belong, we may begin to use it with love and respect. Recommendations to reduce industrial pollution. There are 7 recommendations. First one, source control. Adopting new technology, efficient training of employee for safe use and development of better technology for disposal of waste and being more conscientious about the use of raw material can help control industrial pollution at the source. Second one, recycling. Recycling as much polluted water in the industries as possible by increased recycling efforts to reduce industrial pollution. Cleaning of resources. Third one, organic methods should be adopted to clean the water and soil, such as using microbes that use heavy metals and waste as feed naturally. Cooling rooms or bins needed to be developed that allow industries to recycle the water they need instead of pushing it back into the natural water source it came from. Fourth one, industry site selection. Consideration of location of the sites and the potential impact on the surrounding environment can help reduce harmful consequences. Fifth one, proper treatment of industrial waste. By developing and implementing adequate treatment facilities for handling industrial waste and proper habits can reduce pollution. Sixth one, rebuilding habitat and afforestation. Rebuilding habitat by planting more trees and plants can help give wildlife back their homes, and trees can help purify the air with enough oxygen and act as buffer against the environment. Seventh one, stricter law and enforcement should be given to industries. The Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) works to correct the damage from industrial pollution. There should be more strength rules to take against the companies who do not follow proper protocol and more significant reward for the companies who operate properly. It requires creating policies that prevent misuse of land. Conclusion. Industrial pollution is main part of environmental pollution of our entire world. Industrial pollution can be caused by harmful chemicals and gaseous waste. Example, sulfur, lead, carbon monoxide of heavy industries and small industries as well. Thank you.